Mr. Lowtech here. Hey, we're going to try something fun. A customer actually asked me to build this, and if you ask me to build something, I'm going to build it. Anyway, this is the first part of what we're going to do here. You'll start with this, a piece of plywood. And yes, this is reclaimed, recycled plywood. Came off someone's ceiling. Anyway, hold on. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to this. And now basically we just turned it into one big piece of graph paper. So now we're going to go ahead and snap the design of the hull, or the bottom part of it, and then we'll start putting the ribs in. All right, now we got the layout. From here, actually we'll go down the center. Down the center all the way to the 6 foot mark, because he wants this one to be about 6 feet so he can actually put a jet pump on it. Now the nose is only 1 foot wide. Down the center again. And we're at 3 feet or 36 inches on the back. And we'll start cutting runners. Mr. Lowtech here. I realized I've got quite a cut list going on. So what I'm going to do, because I've got some scraps, these little pieces here, that's where my runners are coming out of. There's a nice piece of 1/4 inch sitting right there. I'm going to cut all those. One thing we are going to do, like I said, the cut list is very large. But all these that you see here in the larger boat, they're all going to be cut in one piece and slotted and put in there. So anyway, I will get back to you with that. You guys have a good day. Bye.